It isn't wrong, murmured Henry to no one in particular, but we just don't do it. No one mentioned whistles. Next morning, Henry was enjoying himself enormously. Lots of people were waiting at the station just before the bridge. They wanted to see what would happen. "Ow," he said. "Achoo-shoo!" Henry went home very pleased with himself. He had taught Gordon and silly boys a lesson with a whistle and a sneeze.